Guys, I'm back. Today I'm going to be doing a spring type of makeup since it's spring. Sorry I haven't been posting. I know I said I was gonna post a lot, but then like driving school, driver's ed kind of took a lot of my time. I did end up passing the exam that I was stressed about. I got an 100, which is insane. Anyways, today's going to be a makeup video, and thank you all to the new subscribers. And yeah, let's get into it. Okay, don't mind the music in the back. I'm playing some music. First I'm gonna start with some foundation. Concealer. Some blush. And next I'm gonna add some powder. And next I'm gonna add some bronzer. And next I'm gonna add some highlight. Next I'm gonna use some of this pink eyeshadow. I'm gonna use some of these shades. And next I'm gonna add some eyeliner. Okay, the eyeliner is done. Next I'm gonna add some mascara. Okay, next I'm gonna add some lip liner. And next I'm gonna add some lip gloss. And next I'm gonna add some more concealer. This looks a mess, but it'll look good at the end. I'm gonna add some more blush. Setting spray. Hey guys, here's the look. Here's the eyeshadow. It came out better than I thought it would be. Anyways, thanks for watching this video and thank you for subscribing. We're getting closer and closer to 800 subscribers and 1,000 subscribers. I've been wanting to get to 1,000 subscribers ever since I started doing YouTube. But anyways, thanks for watching this video and keep up for more.